Welcome to the Will the Orange Guy Random Lotto Number Chooser project on GitHub. This Lotto Number Chooser will automatically choose random numbers for you, thanks to Mike McGrath in his book Coding for Python in Easy Steps for Inspiring the Idea. It's currently on release version 1.6, which is its last and only version, as it is now a public archive since it was just created as showing what can be done in the book, and I am no longer working on it. It's been contributed to by myself and the Gitter Badger, and it's built entirely 100% with Python. This random lotto number chooser will automatically pick 6 random numbers for you, simplifying the lotto number choosing process. You can install it through the Python module or idle by downloading it, extracting it, and running the lotto.py file. Or you can create an executable through cxfreeze using the installed setup.py file by running the command python setup.py bdist_msi. In order to use it, as I'll allude to you in the actual program later on, but I'll just show the pictures for now, you click the Get My Lucky Numbers button, which will change these ellipses in the 6 boxes to actual numbers. Then to get more numbers, press the Reset button, it'll go back to the original state, and then press your Get Lucky Numbers button again. You can just keep doing that over and over and over and over again. As I said before, current release is 1.6. When I was creating this project, I was hoping to push a 1.7 or 2.0 release. However, that's no longer in development, so this is just for archival status. We can scroll back up to the top of the page here, and we can see the code that is being built to run this. So it imports the Tinctor library in order to create the window, has the image for the Lotto logo, as well as individual labels that build each of the ellipsis buttons, so that way you can put in the numbers there. Those are assigned to the window by a grid, and the window has a title of Lotto Number Picker. It is not resizable, and it has 2 buttons, Get My Lucky Numbers and Reset. So to start, each of the number things is populated by an ellipsis, and the Reset button is disabled. Then the tool creates a random number in the range of 1 to 49, and it creates 6 random numbers, which it then puts in each of the buttons, disables the Get button, and makes the Reset button in a normal state. Now, when you press the Reset button, it'll do what it initially did and change all of the label text for the numbers to ellipses, disable the Reset button, but enable the Get button. Then finally, we assign those 2 commands, the pick command and the reset command, to Get button and Reset button in the app, and sustain our window with the main loop command. Head back to the main repository here, and we can see our setup.py file, which imports sys, cxfreeze, and its related tools to include Lotto GIF and create an exe based off the lotto.py file. Now, switching over to the Visual Studio Code, I have the lotto.py file open, and we can see the exact same things that we saw on the GitHub page. Now, of course, just with better text highlighting and better colors, as are the benefits of Visual Studio Code. Now, by accessing the button on top here, Run, I can start debugging the program, selecting a Python file, and the program will run through the command here and pop onto the main window. There we go. So here we see our Lotto Number Picker title, our not resizable Tinctor window. As you see, when I put my mouse over the edges, I cannot resize it, and there's no maximize button here. The logo is here, and all of the buttons have been replaced with the ellipses, while the Get My Lucky Numbers button is enabled, and the Reset button is disabled, as there's nothing to reset because there's no numbers. If I click this button here, I see my numbers 42, 5, 2, 19, 37, and 32, totally random numbers, and I can press Reset to send them all back to ellipses. Let's run that again. 46, 6, 9, 15, 5, and 41. I don't think we've received any duplicates yet. Go Reset, and let's try it again. 41, 35, 22, 14, 23, 29. Press Reset again, and try again. 33, 41, 38, 29, 19, 39. Looks like 41 is a frequent duplicate, actually. Let's try it one more time. Maybe we'll get 41. Oh, we didn't, but we did get 45 and 40. 26, 45, 40, 43, 39, 28. Try it one more time. 29, 27, 35, 48, and 6. We seem to be getting 5 quite a bit as well. Now, of course, computers are not perfectly random, but this is good enough for a proof of concept random lotto number picker. So you can just continue to press these buttons over and over and over again, and the computer will continue to generate more and more random numbers until you feel fit. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the Lotto Number Picker program. If you feel the need, head to GitHub, download the project, or fork or star the repository. Thank you.